30 species in genus Laelia. Laelia, a love affair with the queen of orchids. My name is Vu, and I've always been drawn to the Orchidaceae family of orchids. Their intricate beauty and captivating fragrances have a way of transporting you to another realm. But among the countless orchid genera, one holds a special place in my heart, Laelia. Often hailed as the queen of orchids, Laelia has captivated me with its stunning blooms and fascinating history. I remember the first time I encountered a Laelia orchid. I was visiting a local orchid show, and there it was, proudly displayed amidst a sea of other blossoms. Its vibrant lavender petals, delicately ruffled and adorned with a deep purple lip, seemed to shimmer under the exhibition lights. I was mesmerized. From that moment on, I knew I had to learn more about this captivating genus. A journey through the world of Laelia. Laelia is a small genus comprising around 25 recognized species. These orchids are primarily native to subtropical and temperate regions of Central and South America, with a significant concentration in Mexico. They typically grow as epiphytes, meaning they anchor themselves to trees or rocks, drawing moisture and nutrients from the air and rain. What truly sets Laelia apart is the sheer diversity of its blooms. From the fiery reds of Laelia milleri to the pristine white of Laelia albida, the genus boasts a kaleidoscope of colors. The flowers themselves come in a variety of shapes and sizes, with some species producing large, showy blooms while others bear clusters of smaller, more delicate flowers. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The allure of Laelia. For me, the allure of Laelia lies not only in its visual beauty, but also in its resilience and adaptability. These orchids have evolved to thrive in a variety of challenging environments, from arid deserts to humid rainforests. Their ability to adapt and flourish in such diverse conditions is a testament to their strength and resilience. Cultivating Laelia can be a rewarding experience, but it requires patience and understanding. These orchids have specific needs in terms of light, water, and temperature. However, with proper care, they can reward you with stunning blooms year after year. Laelia's place in the orchid world. Over the years, Laelia has played a significant role in the development of orchid hybrids. Its unique characteristics have been used to create countless new varieties, enriching the world of orchids with even more beauty and diversity. Sadly, due to habitat loss and overcollection, some Laelia species are now considered endangered. This underscores the importance of conservation efforts to protect these precious plants for future generations. A lifelong passion. My journey with Laelia is far from over. I continue to be fascinated by these orchids, eager to learn more about their unique characteristics and cultural requirements. I believe that by sharing my passion for Laelia, I can help others appreciate the beauty and importance of these remarkable plants. Whether you are a seasoned orchid enthusiast or simply appreciate the beauty of nature, I encourage you to explore the world of Laelia. You might just find yourself falling in love with the queen of orchids, just as I have.